You need to hear this if you're a freelancer. You're a freelancer. It's exciting, right? You're your own boss. You set your own hours, you chase your dreams. But here's the thing. You need clients to make those dreams a reality. That's where your freelancer profile comes in. It's your digital storefront, your first impression, your chance to shine. A killer profile attracts clients, boosts your credibility, and helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Ready to rock your freelance world? Let's dive in. They say a picture's worth 1,000 words. In the freelance world, it can be worth thousands of dollars. Your profile picture is the first thing potential clients see. Make it count. Ditch the selfies and blurry snapshots. Instead, opt for a professional headshot that screams, "I'm competent, approachable, and ready to work." Think about it. Would you trust a lawyer with a blurry bathroom selfie as their profile picture? Probably not. The same goes for your freelance profile. A high-quality professional image builds trust and credibility. It shows you take your work seriously and that you're invested in presenting yourself well. Remember, you only get one chance to make a first impression. Okay, you've got their attention with your awesome profile picture. Now it's time to reel them in with your words. Your profile description is your chance to tell your story and showcase your unique brilliance. Keep it concise, engaging, and easy to read. Start with a strong opening line that grabs their attention. Here's an example. I help passionate entrepreneurs like you build stunning websites that convert visitors into loyal customers. See how that's so much better than saying, "I'm a web designer"? Highlight your skills, experience, and what makes you different. Use keywords that potential clients might search for. And most importantly, let your personality shine through. Your profile description should be as unique and awesome as you are. Imagine you're at a farmer's market. Would you rather buy a juicy peach you can see, smell, and almost taste? Or one hidden away in a closed basket? The same goes for your freelance work. Don't just tell potential clients you're good at what you do, show them. Your portfolio is your chance to showcase your skills and experience in all their glory. Choose your best work projects that highlight your skills and the value you bring. For each project, include a brief description, key takeaways, and, if possible, client testimonials. Think of your portfolio as a visual feast for potential clients. Make it easy to navigate, visually appealing, and make sure it reflects your unique style and expertise. Section 5. The price is right. Finding your sweet spot. Pricing is tricky, right? It's one of the most challenging aspects of freelancing. You don't want to undervalue your skills. Undervaluing can lead to burnout and dissatisfaction. But you also don't want to scare potential clients away with sky-high rates. High rates can make you seem unapproachable. So how do you find the sweet spot? First, do your research. Look at industry standards and trends. Check out what other freelancers in your niche are charging. This gives you a benchmark to start with. Consider your experience, skills, and the value you bring to the table. Your unique skills can justify a higher rate. Remember, you're not just selling your time, you're selling your expertise, creativity, and problem-solving skills. These are invaluable to clients. Start with a pricing structure that feels comfortable. This could be hourly, project-based, or retainer models. As you gain experience and build a solid reputation, you can gradually increase your rates. Don't be afraid to reassess and adjust, and don't be afraid to negotiate. Negotiation is a key skill in freelancing. It's all about finding a win-win situation for you and your clients. A fair price ensures both parties are satisfied and fosters long-term relationships. Remember, pricing is not set in stone. It's a dynamic aspect of your business that evolves with your growth and market changes. Keep learning and adapting. Attend workshops, read articles, and stay updated with the latest trends to refine your pricing strategy. With the right approach, you'll find that sweet spot where your rates reflect your true worth and attract the right clients. Section 6. Rave reviews. Social proof is your secret weapon. Let's be real, we all check reviews before we buy something online, right? Whether it's a new gadget, a book, or even a restaurant, those little stars and comments guide our decisions. The same goes for hiring a freelancer. Potential clients want to know that they're making the right choice. Client testimonials and reviews are social proof that you're awesome to work with and deliver amazing results. They are the digital equivalent of word-of-mouth recommendations. They build trust, credibility, and give potential clients the confidence to hire you. When someone sees that others have had a positive experience, it reduces their perceived risk. But how do you get those glowing reviews? Simple ask. Don't be shy about it. After you've successfully completed a project and your client is over the moon with the results, politely ask if they'd be willing to share their experience in a testimonial. Most clients are happy to help if they are satisfied with your work. Make it easy for them by providing a simple format or questionnaire. You can even guide them on what to mention, like the challenges they faced before hiring you and how you helped solve them. Showcase your testimonials prominently on your profile. They're like gold. Place them where potential clients can easily see them, such as on your homepage or a dedicated testimonials page. They're proof that you're not just talk, you deliver the goods. Positive reviews can be the deciding factor that tips the scale in your favor when a client is choosing between you and another freelancer. So keep collecting those testimonials and let your happy clients do the talking for you. It's one of the most powerful tools in your freelancing arsenal. Section 7. Climbing the ladder. Boost your freelancer ranking. Think of your freelance platform as a giant search engine. You want to be at the top of the results page, right? That's where ranking comes in. The higher you rank, the more visible you are to potential clients. While algorithms vary across platforms, some key factors usually influence your ranking. First, complete your profile. Fill out every section with relevant information and keywords. Second, keep your portfolio updated with your latest and greatest work. Third, those glowing testimonials we talked about, they matter. The more positive reviews you have, the better your chances of ranking higher. And finally, be responsive. Respond to inquiries promptly and professionally. Section 8. The never-ending story, continuous improvement is key. Guess what? Your freelance journey is a marathon, not a sprint. And your profile isn't a set it and forget it kind of deal. It's a living, breathing entity that needs regular TLC. The freelance world is constantly evolving. What works today might not work tomorrow. So make it a habit to review and refine your profile regularly. Update your skills, add new projects to your portfolio, and tweak your pricing as needed. Stay curious, stay relevant, and never stop learning. Remember, the only constant is change, and your ability to adapt and evolve will determine your long-term success. Section 9. Patience, young Padawan. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Building a successful freelance career takes time, my friend. It's a journey filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. It's not an overnight thing. You won't wake up one day and find yourself at the pinnacle of success. There will be bumps in the road, moments of doubt, and maybe even a few tears along the way, but don't give up. Every challenge you face is a stepping stone towards your ultimate goal. It's all part of the journey. Each experience, whether good or bad, shapes you into a stronger, more resilient freelancer. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your wins, and learn from your setbacks. Each small victory is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Remember why you started freelancing in the first place. Was it the freedom, the flexibility, the chance to create something of your own, the chance to be your own boss and pursue your passions? Hold on to that vision. Let it be the light that guides you through the tough times. Use it as fuel to keep going when things get tough. When the road seems long and the obstacles insurmountable, remember your why. Because trust me, they will. Challenges are inevitable, but they are also opportunities for growth. But I know you're strong, capable, and more than equipped to handle whatever comes your way. Embrace the journey, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. Your success is just around the corner. Section 10. Go get 'em, Tiger. You've got this. You've got the knowledge, the tools, and the passion to rock your freelance career. Now go out there and make it happen. Create a profile that truly represents your brilliance. Attract amazing clients, do work you love, and build the freelance life of your dreams. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. There's a whole community of freelancers cheering you on every step of the way.